Welcome to English Learners Zone. In today's conversation, Greg and Cathy share a casual yet inspiring conversation about art, friendship, and creative passions. Whether it's painting, sculpting, or this chat reminds us how art connects us all in different ways. Let's get started.
I'm going to an art gallery tonight.
That's cool.
My friend, Jane, is an artist. She's displaying her work there.
I love art. I paint in my spare time.
Really? I didn't know that. My friend is a sculptor.
Sculpting? That's fascinating.
Would you like to come with me tonight?
I can't. I already have plans.
She is going to be displaying her work all week. Would you like to go tomorrow night?
Sure, I would love to.
I can introduce you to her. She always loves talking to people about art.
I don't know that much about it. I just really enjoy looking at it.
I don't know a lot about art either. I'm just going to support her tonight.
You're a good friend. What is your interest?
I prefer music.
I love music too, but painting is my passion.
I would like to see your work one day.
I can show you some right now. I have them on my wall.
Let's go see them.
Now quiz time. Where's Greg going tonight? What does Greg's friend, Jane, do? What does Cathy like to do in her spare time? What is Greg's interest? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this conversation and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Learners Zone. Comment below if you want more family-based or daily routine conversations. And remember, practice makes perfect. See you in the next video.